Alright, so an absolute killer of a busy morning. Just got finished with the apples. Thought we would do a little garden update. So we did manage to do a little bit of lawn mowing. Just a little bit. Mulberry tree is coming in very nicely. These are all nice little fruits. Nice little fruits. Blueberries are coming in very nice, as you can see. Going to be a decent amount of blueberries on this bush. This one's going to have less, but it's also coming in very nicely. One of the reasons I decided to mow the lawn was because I stepped on this guy. A little bit of a rescue mission. He is doing very well, I do believe. Nothing's drying up. But yeah, it was just a sign that it was time to mow this lawn. So these are the gooseberries. This is the current plant. This one's not gonna give fruit this year. This one has some fruit. This is our other gooseberry. It's probably not gonna give any fruit. And this is our blueberry bush. But this blackberry bush is doing very nicely. Although it's probably not gonna give any fruit this year, it is growing quite nicely. Carrots are looking frickin' huge. Look at that. These are our 2 rows of carrots. I mean, look at that. I got big ass hands. That's a pretty big ass carrot. Onions are doing great as always. These are our parsnips. I still have to de-weed this, but they are also doing quite well. Onions are doing real nice. Another row of parsnips, onions. And then I still have to de-weed this, but these are our beets. That's a beet. Man, I gotta de-weed this. But onto the main event, because we gotta stand this guy up. See, we're at the point where these guys are gonna need little strings to keep them standing. I'm gonna give him a little bamboo real soon, but he will survive. Anyways, these guys are getting pretty big. My hand is pretty big, and look at that. I mean, hi. Starting to get a nice smell going. Nice tomato smell. Also, we need to pull weeds here. These guys were growing real slow, but now they're getting there. I mean, look at that. These are black cherry tomatoes. They give a lot of fruit. This guy also, we're gonna have to give him a little bamboo. As you can see, he's getting a little flimsy. Most guys, a lot of them at least, are giving flowers. This guy has a nice amount of flowers. But look at this. I have never had, look at that, fruits this early. It is the end of May, and look at that. We have got our first fruits. 2 little tomatoes growing right there. Look at this monster. I mean, look, my hand is not that big. It is big. And this guy is freaking huge. These are our 2 cayenne pepper plants. Boom, boom. Also quite big, as you can see by my hand. And he's also giving really nice flowers. And some other pepper plants are also giving flowers. So, quick little update. Oh, last but not least, look at this. Strawberries. Look at this guy. Oh no! There's been a murder. Ooh, that looks like the sign of a slug. We're gonna have to keep our eyes open. Oof. No, there has been a murder. Well, what can you do? But there is gonna be some strawberries. And these wild strawberry bushes are looking real nice. Look at that, little flower buds. Look at that little row of wild strawberry bushes. Look at that. So yeah, still lots to do. Still lots to do. Anyways, last but not least, I guess the Hascap. I do believe I might have said it right. Decent amount of flower there. Decent amount of buds. I mean, look at that. It's going to be a bit of a battle between me and the birds to get at these guys. And this is our other bush, which has also got a good amount of flower under there. Anyways, grapevine is also coming in real nice. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Anyways, I hope everyone has a fantastic day. Oh, look at that sun.